My name's Maggie. I'm in the ECE program here at Mohawk. The community here has been great. I love the hands-on experiences. I would really like to work on Six Nations in the community there. I've been trying to get all my placement opportunities out there. So last semester I was at Stoneridge, the Children's Center, in an infant classroom. That was so fun. They said they would love to have me back. I really love to have that on my resume. I would love to continue to be a mentor for Pathfinders. Pathfinders is an Indigenous youth program. I get to share about my story and how I've made my way to Mohawk. Even get to share with the youth like how I've tried university and I didn't do it and I came back to Mohawk. I enjoy Mohawk College because we got all the hands-on. I feel like I'm confident in finding a role I'll be passionate in when I graduate. I really enjoy doing everything.